Hi guys, I'm back with you again with the second version, second part, rather you can say, of AI tools. This is for research students or research person who are actually looking for some interesting tools, and it can actually help others also. So whoever is into market research or any kind of research, or even otherwise also can use this. Even teaching people, teaching maternity can use it. The lecturers can use, teachers, school teachers can do a lot here. Okay, so this is actually to continue from part one where we covered some tools like Chat GPT, Perplexity, Monica, then we had Gemini, then we have the black box, and more. Right. So today I'll be introducing two more tools and how you can analyze a PDF and how you can generate the model. I've already written some prompts, tested the prompts, so I'll be showing you that, but you have to be more innovative. Get some idea from the video I'm shooting now, and you'll be able to use the tools more effectively. Anybody can use it, and this video is for actually for everyone. Everyone can do this, but I have actually put it for research work as there are very less videos on that, and I am into research, so I feel my students also want this kind of video. So let's have it now, and let's put some interesting things together, right? So let's put this away and okay, a minute. This is to be adjusted, and now let's have it. So the first thing which comes to my mind actually when I'm researching is to check some research papers. I've already shown you that you can use the research papers, and even if you don't have the research papers, you can use the citations. You can put the citations in the prompts and ask the tool to actually summarize the paper for you, and you can even get some research citations from the tools, right? So let me first of all let me go to pop AI. This tool is to read the PDF, analyze the PDF, and lot more. So let me upload a file, and you can analyze it yourself also. And let me select some research paper, can be from what I review. Here you get. Let's have blockchain medical. Blockchain is going strong these days. I've worked on blockchain for security and otherwise also. So this is, see, it has actually given the paper to you. The PDF is being passed now. When we say parsing, it is actually natural language processing which is happening. And for knowing all this, you have to actually register for my course in AI, where I'll be taking NLP also, natural language processing, which is actually these days the backbone for any of the tools we are using. See, so the paper is there, summarized, right? And some questions are there. You can chat also. What are the main entities involved in proposed blockchain-based system for patient data privacy and security? So you can click on this and it will tell you. Let's see. See, it's coming, it's coming. You can have more questions. You can have more questions here. Like, okay. And you can have your own question. Okay. So let me, my favorite question. What are the possible pitfalls in this research paper? Let's have it. I'll move it. See, there's lack of comparative analysis, then limited to real world validations, or it is real world validation, scalability challenges are there, and lot more. So you can use Pop AI, and it is actually a free tool. You can use other tools also, like I had shown you earlier that Chat Monica can do it for you, Perplexity can do it for you. Pop AI is a free tool, but yes, if you use the paid version, you will always get more advantage. That you have to keep in mind. More things are there. Then you have here summary also. You can see summarize into 5 bullet points. You can have the longer version also, and you can create presentation on. See, 5 bullet points will be here. Look, you can enrich it if you want to. You can copy it or you can share it if you want. You can have the presentation, create a presentation for an academic conference, strategy session for educational training. Let's have it. Okay, let's create the presentation. We'll give you the outline. Okay, see how easy it is. Amazing tool, actually. Amazing. And I would love to actually take the paid version. And Pop AI is actually interesting, very interesting as far as PDF is concerned. Creating the presentation for you, you can see that, and you some more you can do it. But obviously, since it is not paid version, so you will have limitations. Now you have like the language also you can convert that. You can have English, that is already default language, German, Spanish, Portuguese, Arabic, even Hindi would be there. So you can have it, right? So you can create and enjoy things like this. Okay, now we have another tool also. You can see this. The paper is already converted here, and you can read the paper here also. But since this PDF is already available, so I can do it. But if it is not, then it is a problem. These days, papers downloading is little expensive. Also, you don't get the free versions, and even the hacks don't work anymore, right? Because after 2022, you won't be able to download the papers just like that. You had Sci-Hub, which could do that, but not the latest papers. But yes, these tools can help you get the summary of the papers, and citations are always available, right? For every research paper, you will have the citation and the abstract. Abstract is good enough actually to understand the paper. So you can use the abstract, you can put the abstract here in any of the tools and ask to summarize it, or you can use the citation and then you can ask it to summarize it, because through citation a tool will be able to actually get to the abstract and the conclusion and give you some results or some summary of that. Because in literature review, you are just writing a summary of the paper, what could be the possible pitfalls and all. And if I take it from the citation or from the abstract and citation and ask for the pitfalls, it will give you that also. So the keyword is pitfalls. Keep that in mind, and I've already shown it to you. So let's go to the another tool, that is Chat PDF. This will also help you. So I will have the same blockchain medical. You can see that Pop AI was very fast, and chat with any PDF. You can actually do that. And meanwhile, you can just go down and see what is there in it. See, now it has summarized the paper, and you can actually go to the next page also. So it has already summarized this, and you can see that the questions are there. So ask this question: how does the Fusion wireless body sensor network with cloud computing present new challenge in patient data privacy and security? So you can get some ideas also for the research. Okay? Although it is not as powerful as Pop AI, but this tool is good enough actually for the literature survey, and it gives you more details than Pop AI. Just see. More details and the citations are already there. You can see from where it has taken. It has taken from page 5, page 2. It is already there from where it has taken the results. Can you provide more details? Yes, it can provide more details on the proposed blockchain-based access control systems. How beautifully it can actually tell you. You can even summarize your own paper. You can ask ChatGPT to this, do the summary of that, but you don't get the PDF. But yes, from here you can copy and then you can ask ChatGPT also. So it is always better to use more than one tool. But here you can see that Chat PDF and Pop AI, they both are powerful and they give you amazing results, right? You can go through that. And let me check now with what Copilot has to do. Copilot doesn't seem to be having a PDF, but let me try it. I've not tried it. Let me tell you very, very frankly. Add a file. Let me see if it can actually blockchain medical. And it can actually, this file is too large. See, it has limitations. But Perplexity, you can use Monica, you can use that, or I have already shown, right? You can do that. And they work on GPT only. So GPT-4, Gemini won't be able to help you in this. We can have the images, you can have the image, upload the image, and you can chat with that. But yes, options will be added very soon. So you have to keep in mind. So one is Pop AI, then you have chat PDF. Then we have the Copilot being, it's very, very powerful. I must tell you, Copilot is very powerful these days. It can even sing for you. I'll show you. Gemini is there. Then Chat GPT is there. This one actually, yeah, this task a day is another API. This is AI agent actually, which we use. Not now, we'll be covering it later. Then we have Chat GPT. Then we have Microsoft Designer, which can actually an AI tool which can actually give you some designs of your choice based on the query you feed. We'll be covering that later, but for now, let me go to the other one. That is your Perplexity. Then we have Monica. That is all what we can use. In Monica, you can actually upload, you can have the PDF, and I'll show you the limitations. What limitations could be there? Same paper I'm loading and checking how it is going to work. It is actually your choice what you want to use and what output you expect. Okay, so it is still reading, and you can see that it is taking a little more time. Summary is there, and some questions will also be there, but you can see that the summary is too small actually, but good enough. If you just want to have the literature review, you can review that. Put the questions here, you can check. Just put what is required. You don't require more than 1 or 2 lines for your literature review, maybe 2 lines, 3 lines. If it is an important paper, yes, definitely you can put more. But since you cover a lot of papers, so you don't require it. Okay. So this is about the PDF. Let's do something else now. Let's talk with ChatGPT today. And I have already stored some prompts actually, and I'll be using those prompts. And because I just wanted to save some time. And since we started with last time with the bridge construction and all for civil engineering, it can be anything. So I'll just put a question here. So my question is to find out, actually, I just wanted to find out what are the possible chemical compositions of material used in a bridge constructed over a river with pillar merged in water. The material should be able to withstand the flow of water and corrosion. Okay, you have to be more specific. Please provide it in a tabular format with chemical details. Right? It will give you something definitely. And you have to, at the end of the day, you have to use your brains. Without using your human intelligence, you won't be able to do much here. See, it has given you Question is important, but be more specific, descriptive. You can talk with ChatGPT. You'll see that how I'm going to chat with it today, and you will enjoy it, I can tell you. So you have to stay with me for the video. And if you want to learn AI, you have to enroll for the course. You have to subscribe the channel. See, now the question was, can you please provide me what would the percentage of each material used? And it has given me percentage like this, right? 5, 4, 4, 5 options it had given. You can ask for more options if you want, right? It is on you. It's you have to use your creativity. Human creativity is ab- absolutely amazing. Okay. Can you please put it in the same table? No, it is not in the table. You can see that. I want it in the same table. Can you please put it in the same table? Yeah, it will. See, you can see. Same questions you can ask Copilot also, and meanwhile it is doing that, we'll put the same question to Copilot also. Has already done actually for me. It is still it's okay. Let me put in Copilot. Copilot is a very strong actually. Black box is also strong. Black box AI is also very strong. Seems to be missing today somewhere. Okay, I'll get it and open that. Black box AI. It was already there, but anyway, it just somehow closed down. This is another actually very strong AI tool I use, and let me see the result it has given. See, a table created. What I did was, can you please put in the same table? I have asked for the percentage required, and I put in the table. Sorry, and I've got it. See, I can do it with Copilot. Copilot has also given me some. It is working. See, and it has given me actually property strength more powerful. You can see that it looks more powerful. Timberwood, how would I use? Are you sure you can use? Let me put it. Are you sure you can put the timberwood for heavy traffic? If it is heavy, or if the traffic is heavy, let me reframe it. Let us not confuse if the traffic is heavy. Yes, we have seen timberwood used earlier, so you can combine the results. You can see the strengths, properties. It has given me the properties also. No. Says my apologies for the oversight. You're absolutely right. When dealing with heavy traffic loads, timber is generally not ideal choice for bridge construction. Let me correct that. You can see that. It has told me that, okay, fine, this is not possible. So you can try with the ChatGPT, you can try with Monica, you can try with Perplexity. Same question, you can try with Monica, you can try with Black Box also. And let me see if it is Black Box can give me same result, right? Question you have to frame properly. That is the most important thing. And while it is okay, it is giving me almost the same result. You can see that it has not given wood. Okay, fiber. Oh, yeah, polymers are used these days. So, okay, good. So it has given me more or less the same thing. And ChatGPT, that is why it is actually more or less used these days. These days. So now I want to know. I want to design an AI model. This is what I have got. Without data, you cannot work on AI models. So what I want now is, okay, I have some data with me now. I can create this and I can build on this. I can look on the net and check it, and I can get more data. So without data, it won't work. It requires features. Now, I want to design an AI model to determine which material, to find out which material I should use for building a bridge over a sea. Look at it. Please provide the steps I must follow. Look at this now. You can try with others, but I'm just giving you the prompts. See, this is how AI works, and it is telling you this is what you have to do. You have to select the data, you have to select the features, which is feature selection is very important. Without feature selection, AI models won't work. So, guys, if you really want to learn AI, if you really want to survive in 2024, 2025, you have to learn AI. You can join my course or any course you want. You don't want to join me? No problems, but upgrade yourself. And my experience is just 30 years, but people may be having more experience, so you can join them. But I can tell you, most of the so-called AI experts on social media these days were in their diapers when I started with my AI journey. Anyway, that is okay, but that is entirely your choice. But keep watching the video. At least you'll learn something how to write the prompts. If it is not for the civil engineering, it can be anything, right? You can put in the comment box what exactly you want, and I can give the prompt for that, or you can try the prompt yourself also looking at the video. You have to watch it. So, okay, now can I get the methodology I should use? Methodology is another important part. First is the literature review. We have already done that. And then I want methodology, and I'm looking for the methodology now. See, okay, it is giving me the methodology. You can try with other prompts, AI tools. The prompts are there. You can modify, you can see that. Okay, so it is giving me an idea that what I should be using. So can I get the methodology I should use? I've already framed the question so that I can save some time. Now, next question, Mike, should be what should be the mathematical formulation for this? Right? Okay, let's have the mathematical formulation. See, it gives you a lot of things, and sometimes it can stop. It depends on your network. So just be patient, or you can refresh it. See, you have the mathematical model. You want to, you must thank it also. You can have more. Like, thank you. Which AI model should I use for this? AI algorithm, AI model I must use. Let us see what it gives you. Although it may not be one of my favorites. Linear regression, decision tree, random forest, SVM, it is giving me more or less of ML. Then neural networks has come. Then gradient boosting machines you can use. But actually, uh, these neural networks is okay. SVM used to be very, very good, but I don't prefer this anymore. Random forest uh, actually is a different tool altogether. It's for not for this decision trees. You can use DC decision trees, linear regression. You can use them, but you have to know about these tools only. Then you can use it. You should be knowing, and if you don't have AI knowledge, then I must say you have to get it, and it is very, very important. And you can ask actually if you don't know, you can ask the tool to tell you. Now, can you give me mathematical formulation of each of the above models? Because I have to put it in the literature review also, mind you. So I wanted a mathematical model for this, all of these. What linear regression is. I can ask for the possible pitfalls also, right? But I'll not go into that. You can see the formula. The formulations it is giving it. These are standard formulas actually. These are the standard formulas I get. So I can use it. You can find it on the net. It is easier to find it now. So basically, these tools are actually they are your artificial intelligent search engines, basically more or less search engines. Because I'm not doing anything, I'll be doing it now. I'll be using it. And mathematical formulation, it is just fetching actually from the data it has. And sometimes it fetches from the net also. Like if you go to Copilot, I'll show you something here. It must be have given you some references. If you copy this, you'll find that the references for this is already there for anything it gives you. You can see that, right? The references are there. You can read more, get more information. I use Copilot a lot these days, but ChatGPT is ChatGPT. Next question is, what are the latest AI models in deep learning which can be used for my task? These are already there. You want specific algorithm, you can get the specific also. The transformers actually won't work for me. Graph neural networks can, but not actually attention based. No, it won't work for me. Auto ML can do something for me since I know AI and been using it for 30 years. I know that what can be useful for me, but you have to know the things. So whatever research you're doing, you have to get the knowledge of AI. Without AI, I can tell you, will have a lot of problem in the future. Even if you're teaching, even if you think that, oh, I just have to teach subjects, no, won't survive. Students are smarter. I go to universities, I find that students are smart. Okay, now can you please explain AutoML? I want to use an AutoML and neural architecture search in detail. I just wanted to know about that because I would be using one of that. It is a subset actually. NAS is a subset of AutoML only, but let's see that. Because you have to understand anything before using anything. You should understand it, what it is. Just see, it's giving you. And since I need this for my introduction and my uh, literature review also, so I would be requiring it. So I wanted to have some more information to put it in my research. It can be your thesis and it can be your paper also. You can see that limitations, advantages, disadvantages, benefits. It's giving you everything. Last time actually I scolded ChatGPT for not giving me proper replies, so it has actually uh, learned on itself and now it is giving better result. You can do that. I'll show you. Now, can you give me a Python code for AutoML? Just look at this. The magic is happening. It will give you a Python code, but since I don't have a data with me, this is not going to work for sure. It is just an outline. But this is what I need for my research paper. I don't need anything else. I can implement that later on. But this is what it has given, and it has given me explanation also. Everything it tells you. And if you want to know more, you can ask it more, right? Can you please explain it line by line? Nothing to worry. It tells you, it explains everything. It's a very, very interesting tool. All the tools actually, not only ChatGPT, it is Copilot. I use Copilot more these days, and can use Copilot or Black Box AI also, Perplexity also, Monica also, Gemini also. They're all good. So variation of the information you may get or similar information you may get. If they're using a GPT, Open AI only, then it will be the same. The result will be same. Okay, so this is what I've got. Now the tricky part. Okay, now the model is there, mathematical model is there. Now what I want is the algorithm based on this. Now, what I've said is, thanks, can you please give me the code in algorithm form? The form should be as per IEEE standard. For a research paper, I require a mathematical proof also. Can you please provide that also? I have the data in a CSV file called bridge. It will be bridge.csv, data with the chemical composition of different material used in the bridge. I want to put a new data with chemical details and evaluation how it is going to perform, right? So it has to be very, very elaborate if you want some more and some more powerful outputs, some something you can put actually in the research paper or in a thesis or just for the sake of understanding research or teaching also. You can see that. The prompts are important and you have to be descriptive, my dear. Can't survive without description. These will actually won't be able to give you anything. See, it has given me, since I had scolded it, I can actually chat with it. It has given me the steps required, split the data, algorithm, autonomous bridge connection. This is how it is to be done. Step by step, you can actually put it in the format of the peer research you're doing, and you can do more. We have the formulation, but it's not actually the format I wanted, so I can actually try it. See, the algorithm provided is not in the form we use in a research paper. Can you please give me the algorithm or algo only algorithm? You don't have to worry about the spellings, it corrects on its own. Can you please give me the algorithm in a proper format, step, start with the initialization and then setup or then start again. Start with steps marked 1 onwards and the input I would be storing and the variables or loops if required, arrow pointing. That is okay. Let's see what it gives. You can see that it is trying to give you. You can actually format it accordingly. Mathematical proof also it has done, but this is not what I want. It is already there. Mathematical proof is already there, so it's okay. So I have given this format. Now I have an algorithm here with me. What I'll do is I'll try to ask the chat GPT. Okay, the algorithm provided is okay, but not for a research paper. I want the algorithm to be in the format given below. Please follow the algorithm provided by me. Don't have to worry about those mistakes, but still. Let's see if it can do, but normally it won't actually. I can tell you that. It has given you. Beautiful. It has not. Last time it was not giving me, it was giving me something else, but it all depends actually on your prompt. So last time the prompt may not have been correct, but this time the prompt is fine. I already have had an algorithm, so you can take an algorithm from a research paper or a journal or whatever, or net or anything, wherever you can get. And if you want this the algorithm to be in that format, just paste it here and put to the prompt I have given you. What I've said is this algorithm, the algorithm provided is of okay. What you have given is okay, but not for a research paper. I want the algorithm to be written in the format given below. Please follow the algorithm provided by me. Now, this is very specific. It knows now that, okay, fine, I have to follow your algorithm. Now, this type of chatting is not possible with all the AI tools we have. So you can try with others also. Since I'm using Chat GPT for now to show you, so I've shown you here how you can use ChatGPT. You can do the same thing with Monica. Monica will be more or less the same, and even Copilot will be the same, similar results you will get. But yes, definitely algorithms could be very, very different. I am not actually wasting your time in this. You can try the prompts, other tools, and I've already introduced these prompts to you. So you can have Copilot. These are for Pop AI and Chat PDF for the PDF files. Copilot, Gemini, you can use. You can put the question here also, and you'll get some results. You can see, suppose I put the same question, I can get the results. And I had put actually in black box also, if I'm not wrong. So let me, till the time it fetches, let me, ChatGPT has already done its job. So let me not disturb it anymore. Perplexity, I can put here again, and I can ask Perplexity what it can give me. You can actually consult one more tools, Monica. Yes, same thing. I was just checking the PDF earlier. Black Box AI, again, it has already done that for me. So Black Box AI has already done. Copilot had already done, and Gemini has done. And yes, it has more or less this Copilot and Gemini are more or less the same. ChatGPT is okay. Then Perplexity was here. You can see that Perplexity has also given me, but no formulation. You can see it has limitations. And Monica, uh, okay, no, it's actually to refresh it, because what happens, like, it goes to the cache and follows the same question. Just keep that in mind. If Monica is not giving, that means you must have actually worked on something else, and it is looking for something else. No, it's just working on that, but it has given you, see, more or less the same. ChatGPT and Black Box already had given. Yeah, we can use any tool, chat with it, but keep in mind you are simply chatting with it as if you're chatting with someone just in front of you, which has lot of knowledge. You have to extract that knowledge, and you should know how to extract the knowledge. This I have limited actually to the bridge part, but it can be used for anything. Just have to understand that what you want to search. So the prompts actually, they have to be very, very specific, detailed, and you should give them your actual doubts, actual reasons. You want market research, you can give that also. Market research also you can get. I can tell you interesting thing. It just came into my mind that which stocks are doing well in India these days. See, let me see if it can give you. Real time it will not give you. So it will not be able to give you anything out of that. But let me see if Copilot can give me that. Now I have to get a new topic, otherwise it will just go back. And let's see what ChatGPT. With ChatGPT, I don't have to worry about the question I have been using, but since I want to save this chat, I'll just put it. I don't have it. This is actually not a search engine, but if it still it is giving you pharma sectors, FMCG, IT technologies, where you can find, and the Copilot is actually a Bing, a search engine. It's like for Google, like Bing you have Microsoft Bing, so it can actually tell you what which stocks are doing what. Day trading guide for Indian stock market, 5 reasons why Indian stocks are rallying and could keep going. 7 stocks that can deliver over 30% returns in 2024. This will interest you. So those who have watched till the end can actually earn something from here if they're into some investment. Anyway, I'll be putting some more videos on this later, but I just wanted to tell you that it is actually huge, right? All you have to do is you should know how to use the tools. And the prompts are very easy. People charge you for nothing, for no reasons they're charging you, because these are tools which are made for all of you. And anybody, any person having a small knowledge can do this. All you have to do is put your question directly into the prompts. Prompt is actually the this part where you search. Just put it, whatever is in your mind, right? And it will return something relevant. And if it is not relevant, mind you, you have the reasons to tell it, okay, guy, this is not what I wanted. I wanted this. You can change it. It is as if you're talking with someone who has a lot of knowledge, right? So you can do that. Anybody can actually enjoy the tools and work on it, right? So for now, I think we can wind it up now. And if you have any questions in your mind, you can actually leave it here with me in the mm, in the comment section. You can put your questions, and I will try to revert on that as soon as possible. The Don't forget that you have to learn AI. My course is coming soon on AI, artificial intelligence. You want to join, join it. You want to do it from other places, your choice. You can do that. But experience matters, and you will know why, right? I try to keep things simple and try to keep cheap and sometimes free also, but can't be, it's not possible to keep it free every time, right? So small amount is required, some transfers are required, gratitude transfers are required. Anyway, have a nice time, guys. Don't forget to subscribe the channel to get more interesting videos like this. You can put in the comment box what you want to see. I can create a video on that. Also, as far as prompts are concerned, others are coming every day. Whatever the new technology comes, I've already put that. And I'm putting that. I've put on cognitive also, and I'm bringing a full-fledged video on cognitive generative AI, prompt AI, and all. So these are just introductory videos. You should be able to understand things. The terms should be very, very clear to you. Okay, guys, have a nice time. Have a nice day. Enjoy. And don't forget to subscribe the channel if you actually gained something. If you have not gained, please don't subscribe. Thank you.